Good morning, friend. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 5th, chapter number 2, Operations on Large Numbers, exercise 2E, question number first. Study and write three more terms for each of the following patterns. First part is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, and we have to write three more terms for the following pattern. Now question exercise 2e, question number first, we have to study the following pattern. Now this will become 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 plus 2 will become 4. Now 4 plus 3 becomes 7. Now 7 plus 4 become 11. Now 11 plus 5 it becomes 16. Now 16 plus 6 become 22. Now 22 plus 7 become 29. So three numbers are in the pattern 16, 22 and 29. So 16, 22 and 29 are the answers. Similarly, second part 1, 8, 27 and 64. So 1, 8, 27 and 64, and we have to find the three more terms for the following pattern. Now first we study the following pattern. Now in this all the terms are perfect cube root. Now cube of 1 is 1, this is 1. Cube of 2 is 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 4, 4 is 16, 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 5, 5 is 25, 25, 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 6, 6 is 36, 36 into 6, 216. And the cube of 7 is 7, 7 is 49, and 49, 3 is 343. So next three number of the pattern is 125, 216 and 343. So these are the cube of 5 cube, 6 cube and 7 cube. Numbers are 125, 216 and 343. Now third part, number is 1, 12, 23, 34, and we have to find the three more numbers for the following pattern. Now in this first we will study the following pattern. In this all terms add 11. It means 1 plus 11 is 12, 12 plus 11 23, 23 plus 11 34, 34 plus 11 45, 45 plus 11 56, 56 plus 11 67. So the three numbers in the patterns are 45, 56 and 67. 45, 56 and 67 are the answer. Now fourth part, C, D, F, G, I, J, and we have to find three terms of the pattern. Now we can see C, D is continuously, then E is missing, then F, G is in continuous form, then G, H is missing, then I, J is regular, then I, J, K is missing, this will become L, M, then N will miss and will become O. So the missing terms are L, M and O. Now next question, B part, observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. So the square of 1 is 1. This is the square of 11. 11 square is equal to 121. This is the square of 111. So the Square of 111 is 1 2 3, and after that we repeat 2 1. This will go in reverse after the 3. Now how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4. So we write up to the 1 2 3 4 and we reverse the number, then 3 2 1. Similarly here number of ones 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write 1 2 3 4 5 and then we reverse after 5 4 3 2 1, or we can write it as question B. First part 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 2 3 4 5. Now there are 5 ones, so we'll go to the 1 2 3 4 5 and after we will go reverse, then 4 3 2 1. Similarly next here are 5 ones, here 1, here 2 3 4 5, then there will become 6 1. So this will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here are 6 ones, so this will go to the 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and from 6 we will reverse. This will become 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the answer. Now second part 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 7 88. Similar this pattern follows. Now 9 plus 9 is 81 and plus 7 is equal to 82. So there is a 9 and here is 9 8 98. Here is 9 8 7. And the digits are in descending order: 9, then 9 8, then 9 8 7, then 9 8 7 6. So here will come 9 8 7 6 5. Here the 9 will 9 9 9. So here is also 9. Then 7 6 5 4. So here will come 7 6 5 4. There will come 3. Now here is 2 8. Here is 3 8. Here is 4 8. Now here will come 5 8. And here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Now question number 3rd, you can do it as a homework. Now question number C, write the numbers from 1 to 6 in the circle so that the numbers on each side of the triangle add up to 9. Now question number C, triangles in the form, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to fill these circles so that when we add this triangle, so this will come in the sum of 9. So we will put here 1 5 3 6 2. Now 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 1 7, and here 2 9. Now 3 plus 2 5, and here will become 4. So the numbers are 1 5 3 4 2 6. D part, complete the following magic squares. Now to complete the magic square, use numbers 2 to 10. So we'll make magic square. Now here is 9 2 7. Here we can make 5 10 3 4 6 8. Now we will add these numbers. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18, 10 plus 5 15 plus 3 18, 6 4 10 plus 8 18, 9 to 11 plus 7 18, 8 3 11 plus 7 18, 10 plus 16 plus 2 18. Now this will become the magic square. On adding row wise and column wise, we will be adding this sum 18. Similarly, question number 2nd of D part, 6, 8, 10. Use numbers 4 to 12. Now here we can make 11, 4, 9, 7, 12, 5. Now this will become 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6, 17, and 17 plus 7, 24. Similarly, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 9, 24. Similarly, 10, this is 10, plus 5, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 8 plus 12, 20 plus 4, 24, 12 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 24. So this will become the magical square. On adding rows and column, we are getting the sum 24. Now next question, E part. In each of the following supply the missing numbers. First part is simple, you can do it as homework. Now move to second part. 4, 9, 5, 8, 2, 6, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1 question mark. So we have to replace the question mark with the numbers. So it will become, now 5 plus 4 will become 9. Similarly, 6 plus 2 become 8, and here 9 plus 1 become 10. Now question number third, 2, 6, 14, 30 and question mark. So first we will study the observation which is used in these numbers. Question number third, 2, 6, 14, 30 and the question mark. So this will become 2 into 2 plus 2 will become 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6. Similarly, 6 into 2 plus 2, 6 to the 12 plus 2, 14. Similarly, 14 into 2 plus 2 means 14 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Similarly, this will become 30 into 2 plus 2 means 30 into 2, 60, and plus 2, 62. So in place of question mark, 62 will come. This is the answer. So we can replace the question mark with 62. Now next, question number 4. This in a triangle form, numbers are given 4, 10, 22, 3, 8, 18, 5, 12 and this question mark. Now we will study the pattern first. So we write the numbers in simple form in 4, 10, 22. This is the numbers of first pyramid. Next is 3, 8, 18. We have write this to study the pattern. So this will come 4 into 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Now similarly, this will become 10 into 2 plus 2 means 10 into 2, 20 plus 2, 22. Similarly, it will become 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 into 2 plus 2, 8 2 is 16 plus 2, 18. So now our third pyramid will follow the same pattern. So the number of the third pyramid is 5, 12 and question mark. So now 5 into 2 plus 2, it means 12. Similarly, this will become 12 into 2 plus 2. 12 to the 24 plus 2, 26. So in place of the question mark, 26 will come. Now question number 5, you can do it as a homework. Now our exercise 2E and chapter 2 is completed. We will discuss our next chapter in the next video. Thank you.